When I was about 4 or 5 years old, we came back from a drive-in evening and we were in the bedroom, and I don't know, some sort of an argument started between my mom and me. And defiantly I said, I want to go to my real mother. And my mom, she was a grounded soul. She was the best thing that's ever happened to me in my life. She turned around and she walked to the cupboard and she opened it and she took down a suitcase. She said, okay, we're going to pack your clothes now and we're going to take you to her because that's what you want. And at that moment, there was a panic that rose in me and I started crying. She closed the suitcase, she put it back, she took me on her lap, she held me tight, and then she just spoke to me and she said, listen, we love you very, very much. You are a special little girl.